Hey friends, ito na yata yung pinaka-weird, pinaka-baliw at pinaka-WTF na movie na napanood ko. And I am not complaining. This movie is called Flower Girl. Tungkol ito kay Ina na nawalan ng puchi pagkatapos niyang insultuhin ng isang trans woman. At kailangan niyang mahanap ang one true love niya para bumalik ang puchi niya. Mahanap niya kaya ang one true love niya kahit wala siyang puchi? Alam mo, sobrang weird pero sobrang entertaining itong movie na to. Ang tapang ng pelikulang to, you can feel that this movie is pushing boundaries in Filipino movies. It is actually very brave to discuss sensitive topics and uncomfortable topics such as our fixation with genitalia at pagle-label natin ng gender based off of it. And let me tell you, this has one of the most beautiful endings I've ever seen in Filipino cinema. Like, ramdam mo talaga that this movie was made with care, with passion, and with love, especially to our trans sisters and brothers. At napakagaling ni Sue Ramirez dito, as in, she's so good, na hindi siya natatakot to push herself to be this absurd, to be this weird para sa pelikulang to. Basta for me, ang galing niya. I can feel her passion and understanding to her character, lalo na rin sa topic ng pelikulang to. This movie is weird, it's funny, sobrang absurd, and I'm here for it. So, kung gusto mo ng kakaibang Filipino movie in cinema, then check this one out.